फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आपने अपना मेंस क्लियर किया है, क्या कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज यूज किया आपने आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स में?
Basically, practice is the most important.
तो हमारे साथ अगली यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट हैं काजल शहरावत मैम। इनसे हम जानेंगे कि इनकी अभी तक की जर्नी कैसी रही है। हेलो मैम।
Hello, ma'am.
मैम आपकी अभी तक की यूपीएससी जर्नी के बारे में जरा बताइए।
I started preparing in 2021 after my graduation. This is my second attempt right now, and this is my first means and first interview. So I started preparing in 2021 October. I started with my coaching. Thereafter, I went on for optional coaching and gave my first attempt in 2023. I couldn't get through the prelims, and I prepared again and given my second attempt, and this time I'll get through.
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आपने अपना मेंस क्लियर किया है, क्या कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज यूज किया आपने आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स में?
Basically, practice is the most important thing. Secondly, what is required is some kind of value additions that will help you to make your answer look different from others. That can be in the form of some kind of data or some kind of diagram or any kind of quote or thinker. It will help your answer to look different from others.
देन आप न्यू एस्पिरेंट्स को क्या टिप्स देंगे कि वो अपनी स्ट्रेटजीज अपनी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन किस तरीके से करें?
Basically, you need to remain consistent with your preparation. You should study, I think, daily, but it's not that you should study only. At the same time, you should try and keep your mind relaxed as well. It can be in any form, whatever you feel like. And the most important thing is to remain consistent rather than, studying for 16, 17 hours per day. It should be 8-9 hours, but that should be daily. Secondly, I think you should stick to some limited sources and you revise them multiple times. So that has helped me a lot. Maybe it will work out for them as well. So this was the thing that I followed.
आपका ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट क्या है?
Economics.
तो ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स थोड़ा हार्ड माना जाता है, तो फिर उसमें आपने क्या स्ट्रेटजीज यूज किया? फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम्स आपको एग्जाम टाइम में फेस करनी हुई या प्रिपरेशन में फेस करनी हुई कोई प्रॉब्लम?
Basically, economics optional, it is more about conceptual clarity. If you have conceptual clarity, then it's not that difficult. It is also confined to syllabus. That is a myth that it is very vast and something like that. There is this limited amount of syllabus, key concepts that you need to revise again and again. And secondly, I think the past year papers are the key to it. So you should focus upon past year papers. That will be guiding you throughout.
आपने प्लूटस को क्यों चुना अपने मॉक इंटरव्यू के लिए?
Ma'am, I have done my coaching from Plutus only, and at that particular point of time, I chose Plutus because यहाँ का batch size छोटा था. So I wanted that individual attention वाला thing. Because in all the other coaching institutes, if you go, their batch sizes of approximately 500 to 700. So even you don't know the teacher and teacher don't know you as well. But here that thing was not there. Batch size was approximately 20 to 30 people per class. So I know each and every teacher, and they were also, having one-to-one interaction with me. And they were also able to, provide me personal guidance. So that has helped me a lot. That's why I chose Plutus.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much and best of luck for your preparation.